How to customize ChatGPT. So first, go to ChatGPT, and then after that, you just need to click on your profile here at the top right corner, and then you just need to click on Customize ChatGPT here. Then here you can see the custom instructions. So it says here that what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses. So of course, add all of the information about you so ChatGPT can provide better responses. And as for the second one, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So of course, type in a prompt so to explain how ChatGPT or how you would like ChatGPT to respond to you. And then as for the ChatGPT capabilities here, you can check the ones that you want to enable ChatGPT to do, or what ChatGPT is capable to do. Okay, and for the enable for new chats, you can either toggle this on or off, and after that just click on save, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.